In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox low memory warning on iPhone. Now, there's multiple reasons why this could be happening, and in this video, we go over the most common causes and solutions. So what I recommend that you guys do is to close all background apps. So go ahead and swipe up and close any other app that is not Roblox. So if you're trying to run like Discord, YouTube, and you have like millions and millions of apps there, go ahead and close out of them and make sure you only have the essential apps running, because Roblox needs as much RAM as possible, and especially if you have like an older iPhone that may not be as advanced as the newer ones, then this applies even more. So sometimes what could be happening is that Roblox just get very glitchy, and what you could do is just restart Roblox entirely. So go ahead and just close out of it right over here. Or if that doesn't work, then what you could also do is restart your iPhone. A reboot clears cache system memory and helps Roblox run smoother. Also, make sure that you have enough storage on your iPhone in order for this to work. So you want to aim for at least 3 to 5 gigabytes worth of free storage. So that is really important. So if you have like a bunch of photos and stuff like that that you don't really use, or videos that you don't really watch again, then I highly suggest clearing those out so that you have more room in order to actually run Roblox fine. So you only need like 3 to 5 gigabytes, which shouldn't be too much, for you to actually have free storage on. So games usually crash out if there's like less than 1 gigabyte of free storage. So if your device is like basically almost filled up to the brim with storage, you're going to need to cut down on storage, guys. That is really important. Now, another thing that you could do that surprisingly actually helps out a lot is to enable low power mode. So go ahead and open up your settings, and this time go ahead and select on battery. Then you will see low power mode, and go ahead and turn that on if you're experiencing this issue. And then from there, go ahead and try again and see if you still get that error on Roblox. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.